The Solaris 74 RS, raised saloon, where performance meets superyacht luxury. Designed by Javier Soto Acebal with interiors by Lorenzo Argento, she showcases the Solaris design team's excellence. Measuring 22 meters with a 6.10-meter beam, her hull features a bow chine for buoyancy. A 40,600 kilogram displacement is balanced by a 3.50-meter draft. She carries 1,200 liters of fuel and 1,000 liters of water. Powered by a 150 horsepower engine, she features electric furlers and Harken electric winches. A small crew can easily manage her 250 square meter sail plan. Her high modulus carbon rigging ensures superior stiffness and unmatched weight savings aloft. Solaris 74 RS, built for sailors.